Hello everyone, welcome back again in another video, and today we are going to explain why Ola is building a mega two-wheeler factory in Tamil Nadu. And I know very well you have set off many type of questions in your minds, like how big is it, when will it be set up, what will be manufactured here, how many jobs will it create. So please stay with us. Today we're gonna tell you everything and answer your all questions. Cab aggregator Ola has announced that it has commenced construction of the world's largest two-wheeler mega factory on a 500-acre site in Krishnagiri district in Tamil Nadu. This Ola future factory will be operational by 2021. So here it is, the future plans of a Ola mega factory. The factory has a total area of 500 acres with a mega block structure spread over the 43 acres. According to a statement from Ola, at full capacity, the facility will roll out one scooter every 2 seconds, resulting in an annual production of 10 million vehicles. This will be the 20% of the current global two-wheeler capacity. According to the company, the mega factory will have an initial capacity of 2 million units a year in first phase and will serve as the company global manufacturing hub for its range of electric powered scooter and two-wheelers across India and international markets including Europe, UK, Latin America, Asia Pacific, Australia and New Zealand. Throughout this entire process, Ola is maintaining that it will ensure conservation of the green belt in the area by preserving and transplanting the trees on site. Ola plans to have a large forest area within the site and reuse the executive soil and rocks within the factory. How long will the factory take to be set up? Ola announced a rupees 2,400 crore MOU with the Tamil Nadu government in December 2020, and the land acquisition was completed this January itself. An Ola statement said the plan was to operationalize its factory in the next few months, and roughly 10 million man-hours have been planned to complete the project. The company is optimistic that the first phase will be operational in the coming months. How many jobs will the project create? Ola is expected to generate 10,000 jobs throughout this factory. The factory will incorporate Industry 4.0 principles and will be powered by Ola's own proprietary artificial intelligence engine and tech stack that will be deeply integrated into all its systems, Ola said. The factory is also expected to be the country's most automated, with about 5,000 robots and automated guided vehicles in use once it is operational to be its full capacity. The company has already brought on board global partners and suppliers as it works toward getting its factory built to be the world's largest scooter factory operational in the coming months. What will Ola make in this factory? Ola claims it is close to launching the first in its range of electric scooter in the coming months. The scooter will have a removable battery, high performance and range, and has already won awarded for its design, the company claimed. So that's all for the day, guys. So if you find this video relative helpful for your information, so please hit the like button. Thank you very much, guys. Stay with us.